Okay, Haru, can you
Yeah.
tell me, do you trade or have you traded Forex?
Yeah, I have traded for quite some time, and a lot of trade methods based on support and resistance.
Okay, what pairs do you trade?
Pretty much the major fours and anything against the yen.
Okay, interesting. Would you say that your strategy was more of a longer term or intraday trading?
It's kind of a mix. It just depends on how the market's reacting. If there's a lot of big fundamentals coming out, I'll probably take short-term trades. But if there's a lot of news-based type of trades, like fundamentals based on the Feds, then I'm going to be more aggressive.
Okay. What's the number one challenge you face in your opinion?
Well, I've traded for a while, so I know that a lot of people struggle with money management. I think that's the biggest thing. Just being really greedy and trying to keep your emotions out of the trade when you start trading with real money.
Out of interest, do you know what intermarket analysis is?
A little bit. I mean, I've studied the markets for quite some time, but I'd like to learn a little bit more about it.
Have you done any research on neural networks?
Just a little bit. You know, I have a lot of good friends in the trade shows and things of that nature, and so I definitely learned a lot from everyone.
As it happens, Leo Trader Pro is based on a mix of intermarket analysis and neural networks. And effectively what it's allowed us to do is to come up with a very, very effective way of predicting the market.
Okay.
And just using correlation between pairs, and the system is then picking out the direction to go and run in on the pairs we actually want to trade.
So, I mean, how do you decide on what pairs are going to be the best ones to predict?
Leo Trader Pro is designed for the euro dollar pair and also the pound dollar. That's what we've trained it to work with. And you'll see a little bit later the results kind of speak for themselves.
Okay, interesting.
Out of interest, how many months of real life, real trading proof would you feel comfortable with before you let an automated system loose on an account that you own?
Well, I just want to kind of get an idea of the trading plan. I mean, that would just be the foolproof, so I could back test it myself, understand the psychological side and how I would put money management in place. I think that's a big thing.
Okay. What we've done, which is slightly different to the majority of Forex vendors, is we've done away with historical testing.
Yes, absolutely. Okay.
At the end of the day, back-tested data is not the most reliable way to prove a strategy. The only way you can really prove what's going on and how effective a system is to put money on the table and trade it live.
I would agree with that.
And that's exactly what we've done. We opened an account at the beginning of August with $500 because we wanted to show that Leo Trader Pro was perfectly suited to small retail trading accounts rather than just people that had $50,000 that they could put into an account and leave it there for a while.
Yeah, I agree.
And what we found is that the system has consistently traded about twice a day.
Okay.
So at the moment we're up about 150 trades or so. And less than 4 months trading, the account has grown over 400% with minimal drawdown.
So what are some of the main key points that you guys focus on for beginner traders, I guess you would say?
Say again.
Just saying, what are the key components that you guys focus on with your methods to teach someone that's new to this, your methodology, I guess you could say?
Leo Trader Pro isn't about teaching people to trade. It's an automated solution because we feel that most people don't have the aptitude to trade.
Okay.
People are always susceptible to their emotions. They're wondering, should I pull the trigger? Should I not? I'm 2 pips in profit. Shall I close out now?
Okay.
And then they end up in the 95% who aren't making money with Forex.
Okay, interesting.
And so our concept was based on the ability to take that issue away from the trader. Let them just get the benefits of Forex trading without the emotional baggage that comes with it.
Okay, interesting.
what we've also decided to do is to give people what we would consider to be indisputable proof that the system works.
Okay, that's great.
If you look around the market, you'll see that people are showing back tests. They're not really giving you anything that's concrete.
Absolutely.
We decided to go a completely different route, and to do that, we're going to give anyone who even wants to look at the system investor password access to our own live trading accounts.
So with your guys' system, because it is fully automatic, have you guys considered using money management, trading bigger accounts like bank accounts?
That's what we do anyway.
Okay.
But we see that there are a lot of people, small traders, who are struggling to make gains in the Forex market. They don't have $50,000 or $100,000 to put into a managed fund.
Okay.
And so we've taken the expertise that we've gained in our main market and we've applied it to the retail Forex environment. We have the accounts, we have Leo Trader Pro on accounts of only $250. So it's something that can be used by literally any kind of trader, any size account. If you want to put $50,000 in, it will still work with it. But our focus at the moment is to make reliable Forex trading available to the retail Forex environment.
Interesting. Okay.
What I'd like to do quickly is just show you the results that we've attained so far.
Okay.
Okay, and if you look on the the left-hand side of the chart, you can see that we started this account with $500, and we're now up to about 152 trades showing there. And on the right-hand side, we've got a balance now of $2,586. Right in the middle, if you take a look, you'll see that there's a gross loss. The total losses so far is just $4.95. And if you look here, this is actually our live account that's trading now. Over here we have the $500 deposit, and as we go down you can just see trade after trade hitting the take profit, which are these green signals here. The red ones are trades which hit the stop loss, but actually if you look at the results they're all positive because it's a trailing stop. So these were all profitable trades. It's just trade after trade after trade, all profitable. We get down to the bottom, $2,586. Is this something that you feel you would be happy to run on an account of yours?
Yeah, I would like to look into it just to get a better feel for things. That'd be great.
That's great to hear. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.